Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Asphalt 9 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Asphalt game on your device, and once it is fully loaded and you have been taken into the main menu, tap on your messages and profile icon at the top left corner. Now you will see the player profile option. Tap on this and you will see your current username. Tap on the edit icon at the left side and you will now be allowed to change your name, and your first name edit is free. So go ahead and enter your preferred username and then tap on the free icon. Your name will now be changed right away. You can also change your player icon by tapping on the edit icon at the right side. And there you have it. That is how you can change your name within the Asphalt 9 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.